Hey guys, it's Jack, your pool park pool care professional here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Poolife's 3-step pool care system. Caring for your pool is now quick and easy with a 3-step maintenance program so easy that even a caveman could do it. Step 1 is going to involve implementing a constant flow of chlorine into your pool. This is going to involve either MPT Tablets or Brite Stix as a form of stabilized chlorine. MPT tabs are 3-inch pucks that you just throw in your floater and toss in the pool. Or you could place them directly into your chlorinator. Brite Stix, on the other hand, are cylinders of chlorine that you just pop right into the skimmer. Using either of these methods will keep your chlorine from burning up in the sun super quick and will also keep a consistent level of chlorine in your pool. You may be asking yourself, why do MPT tabs look different than normal 3-inch tabs? Well, this is because MPT tabs and Brite Stix are infused with clarifier, algaecide, and a descaler as added preventatives to provide a truly unique and multi-purpose product. So whether you're using MPT tabs in your floater or a chlorinator, or you're using Brite Stix in your skimmer, your pool will be ready for step 2. The second step is shocking your pool with Poolife's Turboshock. Turboshock is going to peak your chlorine levels for maximum bacteria and algae killing effect. Turboshock dissolves very quickly in your water and never needs to be pre-diluted. And lastly, Turboshock has much more available chlorine than traditional liquid chlorine. It also never loses its potency, so you can buy a shocking amount in bulk. They say the key to winning championships is defense. Because of this, the third and final step is adding Defend plus algaecide. This non-foaming algaecide can treat a variety of algae from green to black to yellow. It's also infused with clarifier to keep your pool at peak performance, so even a champion like you will be happy with the result. In 3 easy steps, there's one super result. Your pool will be looking crystal clear, ready for a summer of swimming. Alright, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below, or stop in and talk to a pool park pool care professional today. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.